Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Now, let's start with our chapter number 3. Take out your books and a pencil in your hand. Page number 29. Page number 29, because we have completed till here how to change the font color and the highlighting text that was bold, italic and underline. So let's start with the new thing, that was changing text alignment. Alignment refers to the arrangement of the text within the margin. Text can be aligned in 4 different ways, that is left, right, center or justify. Now please underline this. What is alignment? If a question comes, your answer will be alignment refers to the arrangement of text within the margin. Text can be aligned in 4 different ways, that is left, right, center and justify. So let's start with one. Left alignment means text is lined up along the left margin. Formatting, align text left. Formatting paragraph allows you to change the look of the overall document. So 4 ways are there from where you want to start with. Then the left alignment, the right alignment. Right alignment means text is lined up along the right margin. That is, formatting paragraph allows you to change the look of the overall document. You can format anytime the paragraphs how you want to put, either from the left side or from the right side or from the center. Now what is center alignment? Center alignment means text is lined up around the midpoint. Formatting paragraph allows you to change the look of the overall document. Always the formatting either from the left, right or center, formatting paragraphs allow you to change the overall document. Now justify. Justify alignment means text is lined up along both the left and the right margin. Like books, in books already you have seen this. The newsletters which you got and the newspapers are the justified text. This is the simple example of justifying alignment. Now turn the page. To align text, we follow these steps. Now again, there are few steps for this to do. Left alignment, center alignment, right alignment and justify. These things, how will these 4 look? Now let's do the steps. Follow the steps. First, select the text to be aligned. Always you have to select the thing. Click the appropriate button on the paragraph group of Home tab. You will go to Home tab. From Home tab you will go to Paragraph, and in Paragraph you will find these kinds of things. All 4. Whichever you want, you can click on that. We can also press Ctrl plus E for center alignment, Ctrl plus L for left alignment, Ctrl plus R for the right alignment and Ctrl plus J for the justify alignment of a text. By default, the text is aligned to the left. By default, every time whenever you want to type a paragraph, by default it will take as the left alignment. Now please underline this 4 lines, because Ctrl plus E is for shortcut of center alignment, then Ctrl plus L for the left alignment, Ctrl plus R for the right alignment and Ctrl plus J for the justify one. So you have to learn this thing. Now, the next topic is changing line spacing and paragraph spacing. Line spacing is a vertical distance between lines of the text in a document. Please underline this. Line spacing is a vertical distance between lines of the text in a document. This can be increased or decreased as required. If you want to increase or decrease, it can be done with our own requirements. Now, there are some steps given. What are those steps? We will follow. Select the text. Second, click on the line spacing button in the paragraph group on the home tab. What you will go do? Home tab, from the paragraph button you will select the line spacing. Third step, select the desired option of line spacing from the drop down list. Again, that small drop down arrow will be there. From that list you will choose your own setting and then click on OK. Just see figure 3.11. Let me zoom it. Here you can see, then this is alignment, outline level, left, right, spacing. So you have to set this. Preview will be here, and then if everything is okay, then you will click on the OK button. Got it? Now, here few points are given. Line spacing is useful when you want to make notes on a printed document. If you want line spacing, when we do is, it is useful when we want to make some notes of a print on a printed document. Line spacing is useful when you want, this is all line spacing 1.0. These are the three different types of line spacing. Why we use? Because we want to make some notes on the printed document. Line spacing 2.0, line spacing 1.15 and line spacing 1.0. Then the last line. By default, the line spacing is set as 1.15, this one. We can also press Ctrl plus I for single spacing, Ctrl plus 5 for 1.5 spacing and Ctrl plus 2 for double spacing. Again, you have to underline this and you have to learn. I will make a list of shortcut so that you can learn it and you can remember this when you will do the practical part. Now come to page number 31. This is, I am giving you homework. First of all, try this and then I will explain you about this. Then we will go to the next part in the next video. Till then, have a nice day.